thank you for watching my dad's video. And bye.
Okay, welcome back. This time I'm making a Tecate beer sign for a friend. Actually, the same one. This is the same one as the last Niners sign that I did. Or I'm not sorry, not Niners, or Golden State Warriors. He really liked it, and he ended up wanting to get this. He said it was going to be a gift, and then he said, or I might just keep it. So I'm sure it'll probably end up on his wall, but that's all right. Anyways, well, hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making this one. It took longer than normal, not because of anything other than just being super busy at work and only, being able to do like one coat of paint per day. So it took 3 or 4 days just to chase my tail a little bit, because I always have to get some white on the black and then get some black on the white and then get some white on the black and get some black on the white until I can end up getting it perfect. But it's always less and less, and it's getting to be faster and faster. If I could have had, a full day to devote to it, I could have got this thing done in basically one day. But it is what it is, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave any questions or comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll be back at the end. Okay, well, hey, thanks for watching. As you can see, the sign came out really good. I was very pleased with it, and I know he'll like this one again. It's 16 inches tall by 24 inches wide, as I forgot to say. But it's a pretty good size sign. All in all, I would say it took about 2.5 hours of carving, and painting probably was only about an hour, but it was just, 20 minutes, and then go to sleep, and then the next day 20 minutes and go to sleep, and so on and so forth. So anyways, well, I appreciate you guys watching. Thumb it up. Don't Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Till the next video. I'm out.